Hello guys. So today I'm gonna keep my eye closed for the whole video. And I'm gonna keep my eyes open when I can't see my face. So it's going to eat cake. It's good. Is this you guys? Oh.
Pasuyo pa na eh.
So I'm standing up to open my eyes or outside. Yeah.
Toto, it's too wet. Kakson ko ang kuna karon simo. Dry it. Dry it first. Dry them up. Kabalo na sa nung.
I can only open my eyes when I'm not looking at the screen with your face. So the video is done. So bye-bye.